Hi there, welcome to 380 Business Software Solutions introduction video. This is Prakash Kumar from Datarium Softwares. In this video, we would be covering the following topics. Look at the high level overview of 380 and then we'll jump into the demo session where we'll see the company creation, we'll look into the master creation, we'll cover some of the commercial documents, we'll look into the accounting and reporting section. The features of 380 could be categorized into these four buckets. In commercial documents, we have some further subclassifications like sales, which supports Proforma, DC. We have two types of invoicing system called Invoice and Bazaar. In purchase, we support purchase order, we support purchase invoice. We have different types of vouchers supported in our 380 where you can make a payment and receipt against bank, cash or party. You could also raise a debit note or credit note, the generic information, or could also add items which would be helpful when we make purchase returns or when we receive sales returns. In inventory management system, we support multiple warehouse. Stocks could be maintained independently, or we could kind of integrate the stock against the commercial documents like purchase invoice, sales invoice, and we have some additional provision like rack details which would be added along with the warehouse field. So whenever we issue any items, we would be able to see the items first in a chronological order. So you could issue the item which are old first, and along with that you could also see the rack information of the warehouse where they are stored. So this is another interesting thing in our inventory management system. In accounting, we have ledgers where you could see all the transactions being performed. For banks, we have a dedicated interface where you could see them in the traditional way or could see the bank transactions in a passbook format. We also have some interesting concept called tally, where you could map your debits and credit transactions with a tally number to get a better clarity. For example, you buy something with the bill number and you make some payments and you have some partial payments, or you make multiple payments for that specific invoice as happens to be a bigger value, and for this invoice there could be some returns or there could be some discounts also you would be receiving. So these transactions could be mapped with a tally number, and when you look at the transaction details after 6 or 7 months, you would be in a position to tell how you have settled the payment for that specific bill number. In accounting, we also have journals where you could post direct entries between accounts, so it is quite versatile. Our reporting engine supports reports for commercial documents, inventory management system, and accountings. We also have a dedicated report which could be used for GST returns. So you could use this report whenever you file your returns. All the reports when are being generated could be exported in Excel, PDF and Word format. Our reports are quite flexible and versatile. You could kind of customize the reports, like what columns you want, what column width you want. So those things is possible in our reporting engine. Now we move on to the demo section.